Alright, YouTube. Right now it's actually 6:23 in the morning, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with this video. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Just took a shower, about to get dressed and ready, and then we're gonna go ahead and start the day. So let's get started. Let's go. And my baby is turned on now, so we just gonna let her run a little bit, warm up. It's early in the morning, so we just want to make sure that she's ready for the day, because we have a lot of cars today, you guys. So one thing that I like to do when I come in the morning to get the van ready over here is I check the gas for the generator and I check my water level. Now these are probably like the two most important parts, and that's why I check them, because without either or I can't even, detail. So we're just gonna go ahead and check the levels of this generator. You guys can see it's on E a little bit, so you gotta fill this baby up. And then we have the water tank right there, which is like halfway. So we don't have to worry too much about that, because if we go to the client's house, we can just fill up there in the morning. So all right, so one thing that I did want to say is that I like to get the van as ready as possible for my guys before they even get here, because once they get here, then they can focus on other things. Sometimes they need to stop by and grab some breakfast, or get some coffee and stuff, and it's not ideal to have them have to set this thing up in the morning, with all the products, all the towels and stuff like that, and then have to go get food and stuff. So once they get here, the van will be ready for them, and they can just head out and do what they gotta do, and then I'm gonna go actually hit the gym. So you guys gonna follow me throughout my day. Like I said, right now it's like 6:30 in the morning. The van's on. I'm gonna go ahead and prep it real quick. I did some prep work yesterday with the liquids and the chemicals and stuff, but I'm missing like some towels and some wash machine stuff that I need to get for the guys. So yeah, stay tuned throughout the entire video. Video might be long, but it's gonna be very entertaining. So stay tuned. Hustle never settle, you guys. Let's go ahead and prep this van. All right, and right here is the back, you guys. This is where all the magic happens. So like I said in the video, we prepped these bottles yesterday, so they're already ready. Now I'm just gonna check my like glass cleaner stuff. This is a little empty. Got some soap. Got some soap that's actually running a little bit low, but I like to always double up and carry extra, so we have one of each in here. So we have glass cleaner in here, and then we have some extra soap. So I'll just leave that there. The guys will probably know, they'll see that it's in there. And then let's actually put this battery over here. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this tank up. I always carry this. I think this is 5 gallons of gas, and it's like more than enough for the generator. Sometimes there's always some left. All right, so now the generator is full with gasoline. You guys can see the thingy is up there now. So just gonna slide this, make sure it's locked. Just gonna slide this thing back inside, and we're gonna go ahead and actually prep the steamer here. So we have the steamer, McCulloch steamer right here, and all we're gonna simply do is, holy crap, all we're simply gonna do is go ahead and fill this thing up with water. So pretty simple. Take the top, take this lid off, and then I use this like gallon thing here to fill it, and I use water from my filtered water tank. It's not distilled or DIY or not DI or anything like that. It's just regular water. All right, YouTube, so we just made it here to Ghost Gym. I'm here with my baby girl, about to go hit this workout. And I'm not gonna record in there, honestly, because I just don't have a tripod and everything like that. So we're here, just in case y'all don't believe us, we're here at the gym, about to go ahead and knock out this workout. Probably do some like arms and just like accessories, movements and stuff. But yeah, I'll catch you when we're done, and then we'll just continue on with the video from there, man. If you don't work out, make sure you guys invest into yourself and start working out, at least 2 times a week, at the very least, and you'll start feeling a lot better. I do this because it helps with my mental health, and it just helps with like stress and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend it for any detail business owner. So let's go ahead and hit this workout, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Let's go. All right, you guys, so we just finished working out. We just got done with the gym session. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. You know, we're about to go ahead and go to Starbucks and get some drinks, you know what I'm saying? And then after that is when the detailing stuff begins, you guys. So stay tuned, don't leave the video. I know it's taking a little bit of time, but that's what the vlog is about. Alright, YouTube, so as you guys can see, we have made it here to the job site, you guys. The guys are actually working on this Lexus IS 250, I believe. And the condition is like, it's basically a maintenance detail, but since this is a first-time customer, we charge them the original price. So I think this customer is actually paying like $165 for the detail. And then they're gonna get on the maintenance plan, and they're just gonna go ahead and pay $80 every month to go ahead and, you know, get their car looking clean and shiny. Actually 10/10 right now, and this is the second vehicle of the day, and I guarantee you they're going to be done by probably 11:30 like the latest, but 11 o'clock they'll be done. So I'm here. I'm not helping out as much as I normally would because I'm not here for that today. I'm just getting content for them and then just, you know, giving them a few tips and pointers. I'm not trying to micromanage and be all up in their face and stuff like that. So so the guys are just about done with the detail, and I just wanted to quickly talk about the process a little bit so you guys get a better understanding of how they're operating and how they're moving, right? So we have one person, of course, in charge of the vacuum, right? So this person is going to be in charge of vacuuming the car however many times is necessary. You're going to vacuum it first to pick up all the like loose dirt and debris, and then you're gonna follow up because the detailer is also using the Tornador and he's blowing in between the cracks and crevices and stuff like that. So you're gonna go ahead and, you know, have that person come back around, double down with the vacuum. Now the person detailing is in charge of all the seats, all the panels, all the buttons, all the dash, the steering wheel, everything like that. That person's in charge of it. Now if there's usually 2 people on the job site, but today we have 3, so that third person is gonna go ahead and finish the exterior work, because then, you know, washing it gives them something to do. So once the wash is done, they are already working on the interior. That person's not gonna have anything to do because the interior is only so much you could do. So that third person is gonna be in charge of doing all the door jams, cleaning up the rims and tires, shining up the rims, doing the windows and glass. You know, that third person is gonna be doing the cherry on top, the finishing touches. All right, so they're wrapping up the detail here, you guys, and we're filling up our water tank actually too, because we need water. So we're using the client's water, as you guys can see. We do this all the time. Like, I don't know how people think this is like illegal to do, or, you know what I'm saying? Like, we always make sure to ask the clients and they always say yes. So we're using their water, fill up the tank, and we got to make sure we have enough gas here for the next few cars that we have for the day. So here's a look at the car. I'm not too sure what year this car may be, but it's a Lexus IS something, IS 250. You guys can see these floor mat thingies are kind of like covering the carpet, so we tried our best to get underneath, but you can see that he's tucked them very well under the trim, so it would be kind of like hard to take it all off and then basically have to put it all on there again for him. So that's not something that we've ran across yet. This is the first time I see a car, not see a car like this, but get a client that has their stuff in here still. So I'm gonna have to tell him to touch up this door right here. Like I said, I'm not trying to micromanage, but I want to get some content so you guys can see. This car wasn't too bad, honestly. RU2, so this is gonna be the end of this detail right here. Guys are heading out now. We're going to the next car, and I'm actually going to the house. So appreciate y'all for watching this video. If you like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I want to make more videos like this, kind of like a day in the life. And it's only 11 in the morning, so my day, I guess, is not even done yet. You know, it's just beginning. But I have a lot of personal things to go ahead and take care of. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Keep moving forward. Hustle never settle. Let's go.